Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase disk space on Linux file system. In this machine you can see on my root there is 20 GB and available size is 7.8 GB, and this file system is mounted on root. So I need to increase this file system. So for that you need to log in as root, and then you need to check the available memory. You can see 7.47 GB is available. So we need to add 1 GB from here to here, there. Okay, so the first command is lvextend and then -l, then plus 1 GB I need to increase, and then I need to specify this. Okay, let me copy and paste. Let me hit enter. You can see this logical volume is successfully resized. If we do df-h, and if we can see it is not increased. Okay, so what is the next command we need to run? We need to run Resize to fs. Okay, and then we need to mention this again. Let me do that. Let me copy and let me do that, and let me hit enter. You can see it is resized. Okay, so let me do df-h. You can see it is 21 GB. It is increased 20 up to 21 GB. Earlier it was 20 GB. Okay, so this is how you can increase this space on Ubuntu. If you are using Linux on Redhat, then first command this will be same, and second command this will be something different. You need to use, you need to type hdfs -grow fs. Okay, so you need to type this one if you're using Redhat. So friends, if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you.